Here we go. Wow, look at that tree, huh?
Oh boy. You need a helmet to do that.
Water. And we're done. Let's turn around.
Hey!
Like always, Bella finds a butterfly. Number one question on the hike?
I was there yet.
Yeah. What's the number two question?
How much longer?
And what's Daddy's answer?
Never.
No, it's not never. It's I don't know.
Preston's good at climbing and stuff.
Wasn't he the first one to fall?
Nope.
He's like smiling.
I did another one.
Very cool.
That one might just be up.
Show me.
Turning wrong way.
Very cool.
Like almost halfway. We only been hiking about 6 minutes. So Liam and Mommy didn't listen to me. I told them a little side trail was a bathroom. They found a bunch of toilet paper. Did you see it?
Yeah, we're here.
Hey, where? Ooh.
We're gonna see the 8th wonder of the world. Look at the water.
So babe, you going in?
A little bit when I
And the kids are going in. I'll record it all.
I'm not going in.
All right. On this hike for Mommy, apparently she promised the kids Daddy will get in the 60-degree water.
Wait, I didn't record it. Tell Bryce I didn't record it.
There they go down the waterfall. Now go under. No one's in it. Les, no one's in it. Go, go, go. You can tell she's not in. They're all foolish though because it's raining. We stopped to help everyone get their shoes on, get their shoes clean, get them in the water, get their feet clean. As soon as they got them on, they all left. They were out.
They're out here.
They're like, no more hiking for us.
We can't find them.
We've been walking for 15 minutes and we haven't caught up to these kids. And their aunt and uncle. 10 minutes later, we finally caught them. They stopped here for some weird reason.
Are we doing it?
Knock, knock. Boo.
Wait,
Don't be sad. It's just a hiking trail.
Wait, I have one.
Now the kids get tired at the end. Luckily, we're going downhill. I'm not carrying two of you.
I know it's
Mommy can carry you. Bella, I see the end. Look, it's over. It's all over, Bella. Sorry, buddy. I didn't know it was going to be that long of a hike.
Whose idea was this?
My wife.
She was
Don't forget to press subscribe and hit that bell. See you on the next video.